I always start these videos out looking so rough. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Aaliyah. So I look really bad right now, but today I decided to show you my updated curly hair routine, and it's been a few months since I made my curly hair routine video, so I decided to make a new one because I use like completely different products now, and I wanted to share that with you, and I thought today would be the perfect day since my hair is like really bad right now. So let's get into the video. So I'm going to be using the coconut oil and African shea butter hair mask, and it's the brand High Pro Pack. I got this from the beauty supply store. It's so good. It makes my hair so soft, and like I just really like this. And it says it restores silky, soft, healthy hair, helps tame frizzy strands, moisturizes and restores shine. So with that, I'm going to use a Demon brush to detangle my hair, and a spray bottle. Usually I'd use a comb too, but I can't find that, so it's going to have to work like this. And I'll be talking about like my hair ever since I made that last video, and yeah. So I'm going to start off by separating my hair in the middle, and then I take this scrunchie and I just put up the other half, and then I'll work on the other half and detangle it. So now I'm just spraying my hair with a mix of leave-in conditioner and water, and this helps it to detangle and soften my hair a little bit and soften all the gel that I put in it, so then I can easily detangle it. So then I take very small pieces at a time, and this helps me detangle it more, and it's more easier when you do it in small sections. And so with my hair a little bit damp, I take the Demon brush and I start from the ends and I work my way up to the top. And it took me a while for me to get used to detangling my hair, because I used to have straight hair and I used to just have to like go in the shower and just like wash my hair, and like now I have to like detangle it, and it takes me like 30 minutes to detangle my hair, and it's like this whole process. I have to take like a whole 3 hours to do my hair, and it's just like I gotten used to it by now, and you know, this is my technique. So where should I start? My hair has changed a lot ever since that last video. The last time I made that video, it was only like a few weeks since I went natural for my hair, and now it's been like probably like 6 months, because I remember I did my curly hair in like February, and now it's almost August. So I've only flat ironed my hair like 2 times or 3 times since then, and that's good progress compared to me like straightening it every single week. So I'm happy that I stopped doing that, and each time that I straighten my hair, I now use heat protectant. I used to use a little bit of heat protectant, but like it wasn't a good one, so I bought like a high quality one. Something that has changed is I do more hair masks now, and like I started doing hot oil treatments. I don't know if hot oil treatments really work for my hair that well, but they do like do something. But like I think I like hair masks better for my hair, but I still like to use hot oil treatments once in a while. So I do hair mask or hot oil treatment like once a week, and I wash my hair once a week. When I first started doing my curly hair, I used to do my hair like every 3 days because I didn't know how to maintain it. And since then I got like a bonnet and now I wear it. If I wear my hair and like don't go out, and if I wear it in a bonnet, my hair gets really tangled. And that's exactly what happened. So I can't keep it in a bonnet all the time or else my hair gets tangled. I really want to get highlights in my hair. Probably gonna do it for my quinceañera. I wanted to do it before school started, but I don't know. So now I'm gonna start putting this hair mask in my hair now that I have like a section combed out. And this mask smells so good too. My hair has gotten a lot more healthy and more defined. I still haven't gotten a trim yet, but I'm gonna do it very soon, at least before school starts, because I want my hair to be extra healthy and, you know, shiny and silky. If you told me when I had straight hair that my hair would be like this today, I wouldn't have believed you, because like my hair was so straight, and like I swear I thought my hair was naturally straight. I remember like in 7th grade we were learning about genetics and like life and stuff like that, and we took like this little quiz that was like, it was like a little game, and we would put in our characteristics, like if we had black hair or like brown eyes or blue eyes. So one of the questions was if you have straight, wavy, or curly hair. And I had no idea, so I put wavy because I knew that my hair was like this. But then I was like, but is it straight? I don't know. So I just put wavy. And now if I were to take if I were to answer that same question, I'd just say curly, because like that's what my hair is. I'm just thankful that I can have both curly and straight hair when I want. And I'm happy that my hair didn't get heat damage. Story of my life. This looks ugly. I'm probably gonna start filming back to school videos like in a week because school is starting kind of soon. Right now, I'm not really that scared or nervous. I'm just more excited. Like, it's kind of, I don't even know how I feel about it. I just like have no feelings right now about high school because I just like, my dog is outside, oh my god. I just don't think I've comprehended it yet. I just don't think I comprehended that I'm going to high school. Like, I know I'm not going to the same schools I did last year, but I just like, I can't even like get it in my mind, but I have to because high school's starting in like a month. They didn't even send like the bus transportation thing. And this was my first time taking the bus, and like I'm so scared because like in my whole life I've only like lived either too far or too close to my school, so I never took the bus, and like I've been on the bus for like field trips and stuff, but like, and so I'm taking theater or performing arts as like a class or elective or something. I don't know what it's called, but I'm taking music too. I had the choice to do either music or art, and I chose music because my dad was all like, oh, I want you to learn an instrument. And I know a little bit of piano, but you know, I wanted to learn again. It's one of my goals, because like I just stopped taking lessons, but I wanted to take art. I really wanted to take art, but I took music. And I don't know, maybe next year I'll just take art. Maybe if I like music, I'll just stay with that. I don't really know what's gonna happen. But like, I really like art. I love drawing. But the thing with me is like, I can't just make art. Like I have to like get really motivated, or else I can't do anything. Like I have to see like a good art piece online. I'll be like, okay, I want to recreate that, or like I want to make something like that, because like, I don't know, I just think like I'm an artist in different ways. So I sometimes like to recreate pictures and stuff, so I wanted to like go in art because I wanted to learn more about like techniques and stuff. But my dad is all like, oh, I wanted you to learn instruments, and I doubt we're gonna learn an instrument. Like, I just think we learn about history of art, or what am I saying, music? I meant music. And what am I doing? And I don't know if that's gonna be fun, but whatever, it's already done. I'll just take it next year. And I'm taking, oh yeah, English honors, but that kind of backfired on me because now I have to read 2 books instead of just one. So I have to read the English Regents book, and I have to read the English honors book, and I have to do a whole study guide. But I'm making some progress with that, so it's all good. Then the rest are just basic classes, like biology. I want to take biology honors because I really love biology, but I want to go into high school taking it slow. I don't want to be that one person that takes all honors and then they get really poor grades in that class, because I'd rather just excel in a Regents class than just being in an honors class and like having a tough time trying to learn, because what's the point of that? I want to like take Regents and then Regents classes or non-honors classes, and like I want to excel in that before I move on to anything else. I really just want to focus a lot on myself this year, and I don't know, I'm going to take it slow because I feel like it's going to be a big adjustment for me. And I don't think in a bad way, it's just going to take time for me, I guess. But I've made a lot of new friends already from when I went to auditions, so I feel like I already got like a head start. And then I was all prepared to start practicing for lacrosse, to try it for lacrosse. But then I realized it's a spring sport, so I'll probably have to start practicing in the fall. But I'm still trying to work out a little bit to build up some muscle for dance. Okay, so the sound here is horrible, but I will put some voiceover soon. But this is my hair after I just washed it. There's no product in here. So I will show you my hair routine. Hi guys, it's voiceover Aaliyah here, and I will show you what I do. So first I'm going to split my hair in half and then put the other half in the clip so then I can work with the other side, just how I do to detangle it. Alrighty, so to prep my hair, I'm going to use this icy hair oil, and I did use this in my other video, and I still love using this because it keeps my hair very hydrated, and my hair really soaks in the product, and my hair really loves this, so I'm probably going to continue to use this. So to also prep my hair, I'm going to be using this Shea Moisture leave-in treatment, and it's the coconut oil line. And I just put this in my hair to really help detangle it a little bit more and to soften it up. And it's a very strong smell, so that's why I'm making that face. And like when you smell it, it's like it burns a little bit, so but it does make my curls very defined when I'm done with my hair, and it keeps my hair very soft and shiny. Also, just wanted to mention I used Pacifica pineapple curl shampoo and conditioner, and I really love it. It makes my hair feel so lightweight, and I really recommend it. But the conditioner has really no slip to it, so I use another conditioner to help detangle my hair, but I really do recommend it. So I'm taking this spray bottle. You can get it from Amazon or a beauty supply store or Sally's or somewhere like that. and it's just continuous, so it really, you don't have to like keep spraying and spraying it. It just continues to spray. It's really helpful and I recommend it. But I re-wet my hair a little bit because when my hair dries and there's no product, it gets really frizzy, so I make sure to put in my hair products whenever my hair is damp or almost wet. So I actually have a very specific method that I use to curl my hair. So what I do is I make sure there's no knots in that section, and then I take a smooth brush and I use it to just smooth out my hair at the very top because I don't like too much volume to be at the very top, and so I don't want there to be any like weird curl or bumps at the top. So then I just make sure to smoothen that out, and I take this Shea Moisture smoothie and I put it at the very top because it weighs down my hair and make sure it's not frizzy at the top. And then I take the diamond brush and I put it through my hair like this, and then I curl it at the bottom, and it makes it very curly and it gives it a little bit of shape, and then I scrunch it when I'm done putting the diamond brush through it, and it makes it very defined. So then I take this Miel pomegranate and honey coil and sculpting custard, and I really love this. Like, this is the main thing I use, and I especially used it to refresh my curls. And I just take a little bit of this and I just scrunch it up in my hair, and I put it in certain sections of my curls, and then I just scrunch it up in my hair, and my hair soaks it in, and it makes my hair so defined. I really love this and I really recommend it. So then I take this Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner, and I actually used this in my last video too because I just started using this when I went natural, and I loved it ever since I used it. It's very similar to the Miel, but the Miel is a little bit of a different consistency, so my hair really likes both. Then I take this Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and oh my gosh, this is such a great product. It's so expensive, so I didn't upgrade to the big bottle yet, but I will eventually. But I use just a little bit of this because it's kind of thick and like silky at the same time, so I just need a little bit of it, and my hair soaks it in, and I love this too, and it makes my hair have no frizz to it, and it makes it so defined too. I really did notice a difference when I started using this, and it made my hair very defined, and just by using a little bit of it. So I basically just repeat these steps and I get the most defined curls ever. So I'm just going to show you another time what I do in a bigger section, and I just smoothen it out and I brush it with the diamond brush, and I curl out the bottom, and then I scrunch it, and then I just keep putting the product in, and yeah. And I also use a little bit of the Shea Moisture mousse. I love it too. It makes my hair kind of manageable, and I just use a little bit of it because if I use too much, my hair can get a little bit frizzy from it. So this is from a different day when my hair dried, and yeah, so this is my hair and the outcome of it, and this is also how long my hair is when it's all shrinked up, you know. But I love my hair. It's so defined, and I love how much it's changed since that last video. So yeah, this is my hair. And so I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Tell me like it is. Pretty little fish.